Dear friends, good afternoon. Hope you all are good. Today we have a very special video on crypto. It will tell us which coin should we select and which coin we should not select. This question has been asked many times, especially after this bear trend which is continuous almost more than a quarter. In previous video, I will share the link in the description as well. We have discussed that which coin we should select, what checkpoints we should follow. Today we are going to follow same coins and see their prospects in upcoming years. As per my knowledge, we should keep holding percentage of different coins. Diversify your portfolio. Keep some stable, some safe, some very safe, some high risk and some high reward, some low risk, some low reward. So we have to diversify our portfolio with different class of tokens. We talked about holding capacity. So let's consider that if we are holding our portfolio for almost next decade till 2030, where do we stand? Is it worth to stick with crypto to keep all these crypto knowledge, crypto investment for whole decade or not? So let's see what returns we can achieve. As we are all in crypto market, either we are a holder or we are trader, right? It's all about profit. Ultimately, all holders, they will go and utilize their profits at some stage. This video will be a little bit longer. I would suggest that you please follow each coin details. Although I will try that, I can go a little bit quickly. I divided these coins in different classes. It's just an example. Maybe you are agree or not with that example. If you are not agree, you can replace that coin which I mentioned with some of the coins what is best as per your knowledge. So let's discuss the details. I will say, like, if you can hold $30,000 in this bear market where crypto tokens are a little bit lower than their base prices, right? So let's talk about these coins one by one and see where they are today and where they can reach in next decade, or let's talk about 2030. Let's start with, first of all, with the biggest of the crypto invention, that is Bitcoin. I will suggest that you should hold at least 0.25 of Bitcoin. Right now its price is around $22,000, and if you hold it 2030, its price is expected to be around 150k to 700k. So it can give you a very good profit. It can give you very good return. As BTC has been in dominance in crypto market all the time, and whole crypto market is following BTC really. So in 2030, there is a lot of projection that it might touch 1 million and keep moving upward beyond that. So if you have 0.25 Bitcoin by 2030, it will be around 50k. Okay, second coin we want to discuss, that is Ethereum. I will suggest you should hold at least 5 Ethereum. Its current price is around 1500 per like Ethereum, and if you hold till 2030, in 2030 projection is for Ethereum is for one coin around 10k, and some optimistic views are around 40k. So if we just assume the pessimistic view, that is 10,000 per coin, so if you have 5, so you are again having 50,000. Ethereum will remain in the game. Whole app system, smart contracts and utilities, those are expanding with Ethereum and its scalability solutions. Let's talk about the next coin, that is BNB, Binance, right? I will suggest you should have 10 BNB with you. Its current price is around $250, and if you hold till 2030, it should be between 2k to 9k. So you can have very good profit at that time. BNB also have been very good in like gaming, in dApps, smart contract utilities. So market is expanding, and most of all that Binance exchange dominance in crypto market, that has been excellent. So if you have almost 10 BNB with you, so its price is expected that it should be by 2030 around $2,000 at least. So you should have $20,000 with you after investing right now maybe around 2.5k. So it will give you very good return. Okay, number 4 is ADA. ADA is like, I will suggest that you should hold at least 2000 ADAs with you, and it's expected that by 2030 ADA price will be $10 to $15. So if we just assume like it will be around $10, so it will give you with 2000 tokens around 20k. So it is a very good return. Like if you are investing maybe right now around 100 or $1000, so it will give you almost 20 times. And ADA is like the only third generation crypto blockchain which is like functional right now, and it is like known as the most advanced blockchain. So with the passage of time, ADA will keep expanding. Next in my list is MATIC. MATIC is like layer 2, and it is on layer 1 is Ethereum, and its scalability and its like low gas fee, its profitability, its utility is already like very strong in crypto market right now. So MATIC is like, I will suggest we should hold at least 2000. So MATIC is expected to be around 10 to $35 by 2030. So if I just assume that you like have 2000 MATIC, and if its price start to reach around $15 only, which is like very much like, I am very much optimistic beyond that, right? But let's just be pessimistic and keep our risk with us. So it will give you almost $30,000, and right now it's around 0.9. So with $1,800 you're getting 30,000 return, so it is very good. Next in my list is Zilkia. Zilkia already have launched their blockchain, and it's going very good in like especially from the start of 2022, while we have seen very good advancement in Zilkia price. So I will suggest you should have at least 5,000 Zilkia coins. If you can keep more, it is good. Its price is very low. So Zilkia is expected that it will be from $2 to $10 by 2030. So if I just assume with $2, so with 5,000 we can get almost $10,000 return with investment of only maybe couple of hundred. Next is in my list is Ripple XRP. With Ripple, we are aware that one case is ongoing with between Ripple and SEC US. So there has been a lot of optimistic views after that, right? So right now it is like very cheap, but like I feel suggest that we should keep at least 1000 Ripple with us, and its price projection is very optimistic. It is almost between $2 to $3 up to $30 to $40, depend upon that outcome of SEC case, and it is like seem that in next year or so we should have a good result on that. So if you have 1000 Ripple, and we just go for a pessimistic view, almost $5 for per Ripple, so you can have 5,000 bucks with only maybe $300 or $400 investment. So this is just like my idea I'm giving you. So you should keep these coins minimum number, right? If you want to expand your portfolio with some of the coins, or you already have, that is of course excellent case, you can keep accumulating. Second is like next we are discussing that Ethereum name services, ENS, right? This coin like it is also like giving us scalability solution on Ethereum, and right now it's not very like costly, it's very cheap. So you can get I think around 13 or $14. So I will suggest that this coin is like one of the jewel of 2030. If you have 100 ENS now, so its price should be at least in triple digit somewhere, and projections are up to $500. But let's review as per pessimistic view and keep some $200 per ENS. If you have 100 ENS, so you should get around 20k easily, right? and right now it's around, investment is not more than 13 or $1400. Next in my list is Solana. Solana, I will suggest you should have some 50 Solana with you, and Solana projection is also between 200 to $500 by 2030. So I'm just assuming if it go up to $300, so you can reach up to $15,000 with only $2,000 investment. Next in my list is the famous meme coin SHIB, and it already moved from meme coin to a utilization coin or some stable coin. So we are already aware about Shiba swap, and now they are already launching Shibarium, and they are already working having multiple partnerships in metaverse, and they are keep evolving their ecosystem, as well as their community is very active, and their partnership numbers are keep increasing day by day. So this coin should be around with point 0001 to point 005 by 2030. Of course, it depends upon burning mechanism, all those numbers, because its supply is huge. So let's not discuss so much about the technicalities. Let's stick to only numbers. So I will suggest that you should have at least 100 million sheep. It's around 1200 or $1300 right now. So if it is go till point 0005, so it can give you for $50,000 with only $1200 investment or $1300 investment. So next is in my list is Polkadot. Polkadot is right. I should suggest that you should have at least 100 Polkadot with you. So Polkadot is expected to be around in triple digit, of course, in 2030, and its projection is up to $500, from $100 to $500, and I am assuming it will be around $150 to $200. So if we can get like 100 Polkadot now, so it can give us $15,000 to $20,000 with investment of only around $1,000 maximum. So this is a profitability is very huge. And next is GALA. This is a gaming token, and metaverse existence is over there. So I will suggest that we should have at least 20,000 galas with us, and right now its price is very low, but with the time it is expanding very fast, and projection is $5 to $50 per gala in 2030. So I'm again going with pessimistic view. I'm just assuming if I have 20,000 gala and at the price of $5, I can have almost 100k, right? So this is with investment of 1k, it is converting into 100k. So it is really crazy. Next is in my list is BTT. This is already upgraded version, and right now it's very cheap. So I will suggest we should have at least a billion BTT with us, and if I see price is not more than $1,000, but it can give us almost $4 to $5,000, because its projection is almost, it will be around point with 50 to point with 40, it will be over there. So it can give us almost, if I assume only 5, uh, it will be around 0.504, so it can give us almost 4 times $4,000. Although its coin utility is very much, and I'm optimistic we can surpass that point, but still we have to stick with the pessimistic view. Next is wet chain, and with wet chain I would suggest that we should have around 10,000 wets with us. This coin is expanding very much, right? And by 2030 it is expected that it will be beyond $1 to $2, $1 to $5, and I am assuming if I have keep it on $2 in 2030, so by 10,000 accumulation I can have $20,000 with me, and this is only $500 investment right now. Next is in our list is Mana. This is again that metaverse existence over there. I will suggest we should have at least 1,000 mana, and it costs us less than $1,000. It's around 0.9, and its projection is very huge, and it's expected from $10 to $60 to $70. Some are like optimistic and it can touch up to $100, but let's see if we can assume it around $15 to $20. So if I just like invest $1,000 for 1,000 mana right now, so it can give me almost $15,000 by 2030. Next is in my list is ICP, and ICP is right now around $10, and its projection is around $10 to $100. So I'm just assuming it around $20. So by 2030 it can give me $2,000. It's just doubling the investment. So this is a little bit you can say a little bit slow coin, but it's safe coin. And let's now discuss about some of the meme coins or some of high risk and high reward coins. So first of all is Allen, Dodge Allen. So this is like a meme coin, which is basically Dodge Allen Mars, whatever Allen's mission to take humans to Mars. So this is all based on that. So in like 2030, it is expected between with point 0.000 like with 50 till point 0009. So I'm just assuming it can touch up to point 0001. So if I just invest $1,000 now and take almost 100 million, so it can give me almost around $10,000, almost 10 times of investment, right? So this is like a very good coin. I will suggest that in meme, like if we want to invest for long term, so it can give us, because they have shown some character about their plan to start ecosystem, although it hasn't disclosed, but they have already shown their interest of some plan of ecosystem development. So if they start some development like ship, so of course it can give us very huge profits. Next is in my list is Dodge. Dodge has like been one of top 10 coins, I will say, and I will suggest we should have at least 10,000 Dodge with us. It is only investment of $100, and by 2030 its projection is huge. It should be between 5 to 30 to $35. So if I just assume 5, even like the which is very pessimistic, I will say, if you are a Dodge fan and you are saying that okay, what I'm listening from this guy, right? So if I just assume I have 10,000 Doji and it touched to $5, so I have a 50,000 uh, profit with only $100 investment. So this is meme coin, right? In meme coin, you can have up to 10 to 30 or 100 times profit, but there is a risk that maybe some of these coins will not be in the next bull run or not will be in the next bear run. They might not be able to survive themselves. Next is in my list is Baby Doji. Baby Doji, I will suggest we should have at least in billion. If I just want to buy a billion, it will be around $100 right now, and its projection is like it will be around point with 5 zeros, 1 to point up to 401. So I'm just assuming that if it is around 0.5025, so with investment of $100 I can buy 1 billion, which can give me $2,500. So it will be give me almost 25 times gain by 2030. So if you want to invest more, it's like your call. Next is Cheems Inu. This is also another like one of the meme coin, and its projection is like very huge. Some are like very optimistic to like Cheems will touch up to $10 or like that. They have a plan to like launch their swap and as well as some news platform, but it was delayed after this bear market, and we are hopeful that it will be back and we can continue with the development plans. So if like you can buy teams up to like it is a huge number, almost a trillion, because it's very like cheap at this point. So if you can buy only $100, so it can give you return almost $10,000. So it is almost 100 times return this coin can give you. So this is again the meme niche, Meme niche like can give you return up to 20 times, up to 100 times, up to 1000 times with no time. And once it start dropping, so it can again secures your investment also 10 times or 1000 times, right, from wherever your portfolio is. Next is like Dexit. This is like not a meme coin. This is upcoming blockchain, and this is a new blockchain project where blockchain development, as per their development team, it has already ready, and they have already submitted audit for CertiK. And once CertiK will give them go ahead and whatever like rectification required. So once they finish their security and audit plans, so they will launch this blockchain. So I will suggest that we should have almost 500,000 Dexit with us. It will cost us around $1,000 right now, and its projection is very huge, and it will be around 0.12 up to $5 to $6 if blockchain start working normally. It's a layer 1 token, same like Ethereum, so it can give it huge like gains. But of course all depend that way this blockchain start working and integration and everything, and after that scalability issues, transaction issues, how they will manage on layer 2, and how they will like integrate with current chains. So these all challenges are there, but we have seen such challenges for other tokens as well. So I'm very much optimistic on this token. So if you have almost $1,000 investment, so it can give you like 2030 at least. If it touch point one, so you can achieve easily $50,000. So it is more than 50 times gain is very easily in this coin. Next example is Evergrow. This coin is like also from meme, you can say, or this is like between meme and altcoin, but it is just developing. So I will suggest that if you have $200 investment in that, so you can gain up to like $600 to $800, because its projection is around that it will be around with 501 to like 0.401, but like I am just keeping it 0.506, and it will give me almost $600. So it will just give me three times what I'm like adding up. The last example we want to discuss, this is MetaFlip. MetaFlip is like, as you can see, it's again metaverse coin, and its projections are huge, but like still its development hasn't disclosed. So it's still like Evergrow just mentioned before, MetaFlip, these coins they have development plans, but they haven't disclosed yet, right? So I will suggest that you can add something on that on $200 on MetaFlip again, and its projection that it can go between 0.0001 to maybe $20. So if like I'm just assuming it will go up to 0.0001, from there it is already very cheap. So with $200 you can get around $10,000 return. So this is like all the examples of different coins what we have learned. So we learned that crypto have like good expansion plan, and with every passing day institutions, countries start adopting, or either they are going to apply some tax on that, right? So these all news are good. Like if they are putting some taxation, it's mean that they will facilitate it to achieve that taxation target. So I would say that we are very early in this, and if we can be cautious, stay calm, keep having an eye on crypto development every week, so we can have very good fruits. So 30k can transform into maybe 40k or like 60k. Sorry, not for 30k can be transformed to 400k or 600k, which is a very healthy gain with only investment, right? At the end of the day, it matters that what you achieve. So in crypto we are like very in a, you can say this bear market give us very good like profit margins, can give us very good profits, right? So like if we can see this example of, if you are putting some 1700,000 $17,000 in these stable coin, so it can give you almost 10 times. If you can give some $10,000 in altcoins, so it can give you almost 20 times $200, 200k or more than 200k. If you are putting some $400,000 in meme coins or upcoming new chains, so you can get almost 133,000. So you can keep some of your risk margins over there. In like layer 1 coins, of course there is no issue. Maybe we should not add up some risk because we already count these pessimistic numbers. But for altcoins, we can keep some 10%, we can keep some 30% on these meme coins, because some of these coins will vanish in next year or so, or they can't touch 2030, right? So we can see like maybe one of these coin will vanish in next 2 years, so we can add some other with same numbers, with some where we can get almost same returns, right? So at the end of the day, we have to target that we should get profit. We have to plan our like investment like this, that whatever number we are putting, if we are putting like these, I give you example of BTC, Ethereum, Binance, ADA, MATIC, Zilkia, Ripple, ENS, Solana, Shiba, Polka, GALA. These all coins are available on multiple chains, right? And you can buy and put on like staking, and you can get very good accumulation on that as well. So there are multiple ways how we can improve our portfolio. So whatever like in my best knowledge, I have information, and whatever numbers I'm sharing with you, we are sharing with you like after checking multiple platforms and multiple websites who are like projecting, and some like giving very pessimistic view, some are giving very optimistic view. So as per our idea, what is like best suit for this coin, we are putting that, and we are sharing this number between you. So with 30k, this like almost half a million, it is an excellent gain. So that is all from my side. If you like want that I should make some detailed video on any of these coins or any of other coins, you can let me know, and I will try that. Every 2 or 3 months I will keep updating this list, and whatever projections are over there I will keep sharing. So whoever is following me, so he should keep getting that update. That's all from my side. If you have any query or any comment, please put in the comment section. Thank you. Goodbye.